Welcome back to another video. Well, on this video, we're going to put the heavy duty wiring kit and start on our K&R delay box and redo the dash. This is something I've been excited to do for a long time. All right, let's get to it. We're going to start by getting this deal tore down, body tore off, and start tearing out the old wiring. All right, before I do anything, I got to move the golf cart out the way to make room so I can get the body off and figure out where I'm going to set that. Tip this bad boy crank up. Oh yeah. About the only thing I got ready to go. Finally start making room. Start tearing this body off and start getting to the wires. Ripping them out. Start all over fresh. I got this thing tore down. I mean, it is just naked, nothing. But it's all for the better. What I think a fella's gonna do is use this cardboard and start drawing me out a new dash. That way I have a template. And then I can put the gauges where I want them to make it for me. Because I got plenty of cold snack boxes and boxes laying around and I do metal. All right, let's get to it. While I got this down, I went on ahead and rebuilt the floor. Got the old rattle can out. Sprayed it. I think this car sat outside before I got it, so it was a little rough on the floor. So I went on and saved on it. And I'm gonna finish up my template on my dash. Once I get that dash going, I can start going back together with this stuff. So after farting around for a while, this is what I come up with on my new design here. On my dash, I'll put my gauges at the top, switch panel on the side, and K&R at the bottom. I have to get all this cut out and see how it goes. I had to stop, take a little break, and celebrate my daughter's 10th birthday. And a good friend of mine dropped by in a Tesla to let her check it out. It's her dream car, so she got to check out her dream car on her birthday, which I thought was very cool. I want to give a special thanks to that fella that brought it by for her. All right, here we go, checking it out. Wow. It's even got a screen there in the back. This thing got the balls. I ain't felt that in a while, and it felt like a roller coaster.
It feels so much different. The electric does. It just hits you all at once.
There's no gear changes. Like everything's tight. It hooked. The dead hook is what it did.
Christmas.
Damn, I don't even have a video. Oh, you did. All right.
Yeah. I love the things we talk about because I love you.
She got a whole block of ice cream, bruh, and a big old fat piece of cake. These
I
are
feel
the
like I'd rather watch you eat the ice cream with a fork than drink. You know?
and eating
Or
ice
like
cream
if
with
you
a
had
fork.
double fisted, you know, like ice cream.
Look,
That's how I eat steak.
This is Sunday. Got my daughter back home after celebrating her 10th birthday. I'm gonna get back started on finishing up the dashboard and get busy starting to wire it and put her back together. I'll see you in the evening when I get out work. We get straight to it. All right. All right, I made me a plate. I'm gonna change it around this time. Instead of in the front of the nose of the car, I'm gonna put it up by the dash. Mount all my electronics and doodads. That's where I think I'm going with that. Right. Well, this is what I come up with, going back together with this deal. It's kicking my butt. A lot of work. It's all because I'm changing stuff. And to change stuff, everything changes. Gotta reroute stuff. Get ready to call it a night. Yeah, I called in extra reinforcement on this deal. Got the wife helping out. It's business time now. We're gonna get this wrapped up. I haven't been doing much filming. Been doing a lot of thinking and going over this diagram, making sure we get this right. A lot of money on the line. That old pleater on the screen. Yeah, we hard at it. This is almost something the way it's gonna look. Boy, this has been a journey. Almost done. I got that center gauge coming tomorrow. That helped me out. I want to wait till I get all my gauges in the spot before I run all the wires. I want to bring them together. I want to tighten all that stuff up, and then here comes the gauge and then waist zip ties and all that. So I'm kind of waiting on the mailman, FedEx, whoever comes. Up just a little bit more than that, but yeah. K&R finally going in. I'm plugging away at it. It's getting better and better. Not bad for my first time. Well, we got power to everything. Everything looking all good. Things testing out all right. Job well done. I can start putting this back together. But I got a few things I want to switch because I just don't have the parts on me right now. But I'm happy with where I'm at. But I can start putting some of the panels back together on it. It's a nice kit by K&R. Everything's labeled for you. Everything's ready to rock. Yeah, it's a last panel there. When I say this thing is made in the backyard, it is made in the backyard. What a big difference. I'll still take it back down. I gotta do some painting on the roll cage, but I just want to show how the finishing look is after all that stuff. Still got some painting to do, and a few connectors I gotta fix that I don't have. But there you go. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video on the heavy duty wiring kit. Everything turned out great. I'll be moving on, getting closer to the track. Here I come. I'm gonna try to shoot for that June 22nd one and see if I can make it. But if not, I'm gonna be shy after that. But I'll be out there for sure. I don't know how many times I'm gonna get to run, but I'm gonna be out there. Stay tuned. All right, see you in the next one. And don't forget to like and subscribe.